The WoneNice Cute Kitty Nightlight is a charming and thoughtfully designed product that has garnered significant attention from users across the internet. This nightlight is crafted specifically with children in mind, featuring a soft silicone body shaped like an adorable cat. It offers a comforting glow with 7 different color modes, including a warm white option, which makes it a versatile addition to any child's bedroom or nursery. The gentle illumination helps create a soothing environment that can ease a child's anxiety at bedtime and provide a sense of security throughout the night. One of the standout features of this nightlight is its construction from BPA-free washable silicone. This material choice not only gives the lamp a pleasantly soft touch, but also ensures safety for kids, as there are no sharp edges or detachable small parts that could pose a hazard. The battery cover is designed to be secure and non-detachable, further enhancing its kid-friendly nature. The nightlight is also waterproof, adding to its durability and making it suitable for use in various indoor settings without worry. The lamp is rechargeable via USB, eliminating the need for disposable batteries and making it an eco-friendly option. On a full charge, it can provide up to 10 hours of portable use, which is ideal for children who like to carry their nightlight around or for use during travel. The inclusion of a USB charging cable is a practical touch, although users should note that a USB wall plug is not included and must be provided separately. Controlling the light is straightforward thanks to the touch sensor interface. A simple tap turns the light on or off and cycles through the different color modes. The variety of colors includes soft, warm tones that blend nicely, creating a pleasant ambience. However, some users have reported difficulty in keeping the light fixed on a chosen color, as it sometimes continues cycling through colors instead of staying static. This issue may be a minor inconvenience for those who prefer a consistent lighting color. The design and size of the nightlight are well suited for children's rooms. It measures approximately 6 inches in diameter and just under 5 inches in height, making it compact enough to sit comfortably on a bedside table or desk without taking up excessive space. The silicone material also makes it shock-resistant and durable, which is important for a product intended for use by toddlers and young children. User reviews highlight the nightlight's appeal beyond just children. Cat lovers who cannot have pets due to allergies or living situations find this lamp a delightful substitute that brings warmth and a cozy atmosphere to their rooms. The soft, multicolor lighting is described as calming and aesthetically pleasing, making it a nice decorative piece as well. The nightlight's portability and cordless design add to its convenience. It can be easily moved from room to room or taken along on trips, providing consistent comfort wherever it goes. The lack of a remote control is noted by some as a drawback, especially since the charging port is located on the bottom of the lamp, making it somewhat awkward to charge while in use. Overall, the WoneNice Cute Kitty Nightlight offers a blend of cute design, safety, and functional lighting that appeals to both children and adults. Its rechargeable nature and eco-conscious materials add value, while the touch control and color options provide a customizable experience. Despite minor issues with color cycling and charging port placement, the lamp is well regarded for its durability, ease of use, and the comforting glow it provides. For those seeking a charming, kid-friendly nightlight that doubles as a decorative piece, this product is a strong contender. It makes a thoughtful gift for toddlers, babies, and young children, as well as a pleasant accessory for cat enthusiasts. The product's positive reception, backed by thousands of ratings and a high average score, reflects its popularity and reliability. If you own the WoneNice Cute Kitty Nightlight, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is available in the description to support the channel and guide viewers to this delightful nightlight.